All right, so like I said, this is Utico Engineering Services, your house plan market. If you are joining me for the first time, you are highly welcome. So this is one of our sites, and I previously discussed about the ground floor features, the first floor, and right now I'm at the rooftop. So as you can see clearly, this is the rooftop. So these are our parapet. Okay, we've done it, and this roof is a flat roof concept that is going to span from this direction straight to the gutter that you are seeing at that end there. I don't know if I can zoom closely to the gutter. Let me see if it's going to work out. Okay, so that's the gutter at that end there. Now this concept is contemporary in nature. If you watch closely, you discover that there's no outlet for water to flow through the back side. Okay, so everything is done inbuilt. And for clients that always give their construction jobs to laborers, sparks, or people that they just feel they know how to do house development, this kind of building is not for that purpose. If it's done wrongly, you're going to have serious leakage on that particular structure. Now what is invoked now is contemporary structure. So the reason why people always get skeptical about contemporary structure is because of the roof nature. If it's not done accurately, you are going to be having leakages in all the wall. So we have taken our time, like you see where you have this roof cap now. Okay, we added chemical that will ensure that water cannot seep through the concrete to the walls. Okay, and the essence of putting the cap on it is to prevent water, okay, for affecting the walls. So when we are going to be doing our rendering too, we are still going to make sure that anything water cannot affect the walls. So if it's not done properly, we are going to be having serious water leakage in this particular apartment. But where it's done properly, you are good to go. So the main point here now, if you are doing a contemporary structure, make sure you give it to a reputable or a professional that should be able to handle your structure very well. So this is the first section of the roof. I'm going up to the next section. Okay, here's the second section of the roof. All right, I'm just trying to okay, yeah, I'm up now. So you see our roof is going to start from somewhere here and span to that end. Okay, that's the roof gutter you are seeing there. I don't know if I can zoom it closely too. Okay, now if you watch closely, you discover that there's something that has been done here. If you are in this particular apartment, you're not going to see water droplets from any side of the structure. So we make provision for pipes in all the gutters. Okay, that's going to take all the waters that is coming from the roofing sheet, straight to the ground floor. Okay, in most cases, if this particular concept is not done properly, you are going to be having serious issues. There will be serious issue. Okay, I've seen a place where I've seen project that they didn't do it well, and they can't live in that particular structure. Okay, and correcting this error is not something very pleasant, because it's going to affect so many things before you're able to correct it. So far so good. If you like contemporary structure and you want to develop your project, please use qualified personnel to do the work for you. Okay, whoever you are using, make sure that they are qualified personnel. Okay, don't just assume that is like every other kind of structure. No, 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 no. So that's it for today. Thank you for following me along. I think by the time we start the rendering work proper, I'm still going to be walking you guys through the rendering process so that you see how the work is going. I don't want this section to be too lengthy, so I'm going to be cutting it off right here. Hope to see you in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed, take your time, go through some of our videos, our previous videos concerning art development. We have so many projects we've done that might be of help to you. And if you want to drop comment about this particular building, if you want to ask question, please feel free to ask your question. We're always here to help you out. Thank you. Bye for now.